Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's festive season and you all know that in few days Ganpati Bappa will be arriving. So let's plan out all the bhogs and prashads we are going to make and offer to Ganesh ji. In Sindhi homes we make kuttija laddu, the whole wheat crumble which is made either with jaggery or with sugar. We make laddus and offer to Ganesh ji. So the same recipe with the kutti I'm making modaks. So let's make kuttija modak or kutti ke modak. Take 2.5 cups of whole wheat flour in a large mixing bowl. Now we are going to add ghee for moin. Measure and take 1/4 cup. This will be added little by little. Add little and keep mixing with your fingers. Repeat this until you finish all the ghee. If you want to avoid taking too much of ghee, you can use half and half oil and half ghee. The mixing is done now. Now add water and knead the dough. Same way we are going to add water also little by little so that the dough doesn't become too soft. Knead it very well. Now divide this into two parts. We have to roll out a thick roti. Knead it again to make it nice and smooth. Roll it out. Don't make it very thin. Just look at the thickness. This is how it should be. Now prick with the fork. This way the heat goes into the roti and cooks it very well. Now transfer the roti onto the heated griddle or tawa. Keep adjusting the flame between low and medium and flip the roti few times to ensure that it is evenly cooked. Press with the spatula and flip it several times until the color is nice and brownish. It's done now. Perfect. Remove it in a plate and let it cool. Same way you roll and make the second one also. Now break the roti into smaller pieces. We are going to crumble them. Initially it was done with hands or using a pestle and mortar, but these days we have gadgets to make our work easy. We'll do it in a chopper. Put the pieces into the chopper. Grind them to a crumbly texture. Lovely. Remove it in a large and wider bowl so that later the mixing becomes easy. This is a perfect texture. Now repeat the same until you finish doing both the rotis. This kutti is usually served for breakfast in Sindhi homes. Now everything is done. Let's proceed to make the syrup. Look at the texture, perfect. Now, in a pan, add again 1/4 cup of ghee. Add 1 cup of jaggery powder. I'm using organic jaggery powder. And a pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Add about 1/4 cup of water or little less than that. Mix it with a ladle until the jaggery melts and starts bubbling. You may also use sugar if you like, but jaggery tastes better. The sweets made with jaggery are so delicious. Now we are going to cook this mixture for about 1 minute until it is thick and nice. It's nearly done. Now pour this little by little into the crumble and mix with the ladle. As the syrup is hot, don't use hand now. First mix with the ladle, later you can mix it with the hand. Check the texture. If it is binding into a muthia, then it's perfect. But on keeping, it may become little dry also. So add little more. Lovely, it's done. Perfect. Now take a modak mold, grease it with ghee, sprinkle some crumbled pistachios and put the kutti into the mold. Close the mold, pressing firmly. Remove the excess from the sides. Modak is ready. This way you make all the modaks. From this quantity you get about 15 modaks. Depending on the size of the mold, this is very small mold. If you don't have a mold, you can also shape them with hand into a conical shape. Or you could even make laddus. like we usually do in Sindhi homes. Lovely. So we have all the modaks ready. Offer them as prashad to Ganpati Bappa. Do try out these modaks, and if you like them, you can share the video with your friends as well. If you are a new visitor, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Check out some of these videos from the archives as well. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye.